Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to show how how does my how does our website work. So as you can see, this is our website homepage, and right now I haven't logged in, so there's nothing shown here. As you can see, there are some tags on the head bar of this homepage. There's home, registration, login, and admin login. So if I want to use the function of the system, I need to log in. So I will click this login button, and then the system will persuade you to put some information about your status. You need to input your email address and password. So I have input some testing data into this system. Then I will input some users. Input is email address and corresponding password. Okay, as you can see, the system will reveal that you have a careful attention. So the system will say that your current probability of infection is 0.64. That's what our system can do. So there are three other buttons here: travel, peer contact, and report. So if I click travel, the system will persuade me to put the vehicle number and the time. So the vehicle number means that the vehicle that you took, and you need to denote that vehicle in for this system. And the time is that when did you take that vehicle. And this information can help us to locate the relation between the user and the affected cases. So let's go back. And there is a peer contact button. And as you can see, the peer contact button needs you to input who do you have contact with and your relationship and the time. The relationship means that how close did you contact with other people, like if you shake hands with other people, or if you just pass by other people, that's different relationship level. So the same is denoting that one did you contact with that people. And the third button is report. If you click this report button, you can report your status. I mean, in our system, we need every infected cases to report their status into the system so that we can track the infection track. So if you are infected, you need to choose this into the positive and choose the time you are infected and submit that. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Well, this is what you can do if you have logged in. So if you have not, but before logging in, you need to register at first. So if I click the register button, you need to input your email address, username, and password to register. And for the demo, we add a new function called admin login. So this function can help us to keep surveillance of the whole situation of the system. So if I click admin login, I need to input the admin password. Okay, now I have logged in as an administrator. So if I log in as an administrator, I can do two things. The first thing is that I can see this network. When I click this network, the whole system will be displayed in this screen. As you can see, there are a lot of cases in our network, and the right one is the infected person, and the green one is the person that needs to be detected, and we will display their ID like A3, B3, C3 onto the network, and we will display its probability, its infection probability onto this network as well. From this graph, how you can see the situation of the whole system very easily. Okay, and let's go back to home. And the second thing is that we do a statistics. So if you click this button, you can see how many people are located at different probability intervals. And the first column shows that the zero probability person's number is 7, and the infected person's number is 17. So through this statistics, you can know the mathematical situation of your network. This will help you to denote what's the maximum number of probability that your medical test or something else to deal with the system. Okay, and we will list the users with high infectious probability here, and you can know which person in your system is very dangerous. Okay, this is the whole glimpse of our system. Now I will do a registration login and check process from the start to the end, and I will show this to you. First, I will click the registration part and put my email address. I will name this as x@163.com, and my username is x, and the password I will put some random thing. Okay, now I have registered the X user, so I will log in as the X user. Now we can see your situation is not to be panicked. Your current probability of infection is 0. Okay, so as I said, you need to report your status, peer contact, and travel information into this system. So for this demo, I will only try this one, peer contact. You can input the person that you have contacted with. Suppose that the X has been contacted with B. Okay, and you need to determine the relationship with U and B. Different level means different method that you contacted with them. So if you are just pass by, I mean the level is very low, you can choose 1. And about the time, you need to choose a time to denote that when did you contact with each other. So about this, I will choose April 10th. Okay, so enter this information and go back to the home page. Now you can see your probability of infection has been changed. As we recall, the probability of your infection at first is 0. Now it is 0.04000 and so on. So now the system has told us what's your probability of infection. And now if I log out and log in as admin, okay, we can see the situation through the network button. As I said, this graph will reveal everyone in this system. So now we can find where's our X. So you can pull this one out. I mean, I set up that X contacted with B, so this is B and this is X. You can see them in this graph, okay? And see all the relations related to them. And this is a straight impression of the whole system. And let's go back to the home page. And if you click the statistics button, and you can see the X is not located in this user with high infectious probability. He may locate it here. Okay. So that's all. That's what I want to show you in this demo presentation. Thank you very much.